All right, everybody, welcome back. Get ready, cause today we are diving deep into the wild world of crypto.
Wild is right.
Haha, yeah.
Mm.
We're focusing on 5 cryptos with some absolutely massive price surges this week.
Some seriously big movers and shakers.
That's right. And we're recording this on November 15th, 2024, so consider this like a snapshot in time.
A glimpse into a very exciting week.
Exactly. So the lucky 5 we're going to be analyzing are Ripple, or as most folks know it, XRP.
Yep.
Then we got Cardano, which is ADA.
Right?
Of course, got to talk about the king of the meme coins, Dogecoin, or DOGE.
Can't forget DOGE.
Definitely not then. Its close relative, Shiba Inu, also known as SHIB,
Another big one.
for sure. And last but certainly not least, we'll wrap up with SUI, or SUI.
It's going to be a good one.
Oh, it is. Not only will we be looking at the crazy gains some of these cryptos are seeing, but we'll also try to break down what might be driving these rallies.
And what this could mean for their future.
Exactly. So to help us make sense of all this, we've got our amazing crypto expert back with us today.
Hey, everyone. Happy to be here.
So before we jump into the individual cryptos, can you give us some context on why this particular week is so interesting in the crypto world?
Yeah, for sure. So as you mentioned, we're seeing some pretty big price pumps happening right now.
Definitely.
And that's a clear sign that we are in what's known as a bullish period in the market.
Bullish meaning?
Bullish means things are trending upwards, right? We're seeing a lot of positive price movement and a lot of investor optimism.
Okay, cool. So bullish is good?
Bullish is generally good for the market, yeah. But of course, that doesn't mean every single crypto is going to go up all the time.
Right, of course.
And that's why we're here to take a closer look, right? To understand the nuances of each of these cryptos.
Absolutely. All right, well, let's start things off with XRP. Ripple saw a 47% gain this week, which pushed it to $2.92.
Yeah, that's pretty huge.
So what's the deal there? What's driving that kind of momentum?
Well, one thing to consider is that $1 mark, right? That's a big psychological barrier for XRP.
Psychological, so
Well, when a crypto breaks through a significant number like that, it often triggers a wave of new investment.
I see.
People see it as a sign of strength and they want to get in on the action.
Como.
Haha, exactly. And if that momentum keeps building, XRP could potentially push towards its previous high of $2.
We're just back in.
We haven't seen XRP at $2 since 2021.
Wow, that would be incredible.
It would be quite the comeback for sure.
But like you said earlier, just because the market is bullish doesn't mean things can't change, right?
Right. It's important to remember that crypto can be volatile.
So how can we gauge whether these gains are sustainable or not?
Well, one way is to look at the support level.
Which for XRP is?
For XRP, the support is around $0.68 right now.
Okay, and remind me what exactly that means again.
Basically, think of it like a safety net for the price.
Okay.
If XRP drops below that $0.68 level, it could signal that the upward trend is losing steam.
So it's like a floor.
Yeah, you could think of it that way. It's a level where buyers are likely to step in and prevent the price from falling further.
Got it. So as long as the XRP stays above that $1.68 level, things are looking good.
Sure now, yeah. But, of course, we need to keep an eye on the market conditions and any news or developments that could affect the price.
Always. All right, well, moving on to Cardano. It's up 41% this week.
Yeah.
And it's getting pretty close to its resistance level of Navy collar 6 knots.
Interesting.
So can you explain a little more about this whole resistance thing and what it means for ADA?
Sure. So remember how we talked about support being like a floor for the price?
Yep.
Well, resistance is kind of like a ceiling.
Ah, okay.
It's a price level where it's historically been difficult for a crypto to break through.
Like it hits a wall.
Sort of. It often happens because there are a lot of sellers at that price level who are ready to take profits.
Makes sense. So for Cardano, that $6 resistance level is a crucial point to watch.
Exactly. If ADA can break through that resistance, it could signal further upward momentum.
Meaning it could go even higher.
Exactly. We could see it climb towards $1 or even potentially its all-time high of $3.
Which was,
ADA hit $3 back in 2021.
wow. But if it can't break through that $6 resistance,
Then we might see it bounce back down towards its support level.
which is around
The
there.
support for ADA is currently around $7.05.
Okay, cool. So it's like a constant battle between the bulls and the bears.
You could say that, yeah. Bulls are pushing the price up, bears are trying to pull it down, and the resistance and support levels are kind of like battle lines.
I like that analogy. All right, well, let's move on to the crypto that's been making headlines everywhere lately, Dogecoin.
Oh, yeah. DOGE is on fire this week.
It's seen an incredible 90% jump approaching 04 Sunsunch.
I think everyone's talking about DOGE right now.
It's hard not to.
Yeah.
So what's driving this massive surge? Is this just pure hype?
Well, DOGE is a unique case because it's what we call a meme coin.
Right, which means
It's a cryptocurrency that originated from an internet meme,
this started as a joke.
basically.
Mm-hmm.
But it gained a huge following online and has developed this incredibly active community.
So it's like the power of the internet in action.
Definitely. And that online community can have a massive impact on the price.
So like when Elon Musk tweets about DOGE.
Exactly. Remember that video where he talked about taking DOGE to the moon?
Oh yeah, that went viral.
And that kind of social media buzz can really fuel price rallies.
So are we seeing a repeat of 2021 when DOGE hit that crazy high of 74?
It's possible, but we also have to be realistic.
Right.
Meme coins are notoriously volatile. They can go up really fast, but they can also crash just as quickly.
So it's a risky investment?
It can be, yeah, but that's also part of what makes it exciting for some people.
I guess so. So what's the support level looking like for DOGE?
Right now, the support is around 0.35 cents.
So if it drops below that,
It could be a sign that the hype is fading.
got it. All right, well, speaking of meme coins, let's move on to Shiba Inu. It's up 26% this week, nearing its resistance at 0.0000 GIVO25.
Another big mover.
So is SHIB just riding the coattails of DOGE's success?
SHIB definitely benefited from the whole meme coin craze for sure,
Yeah.
but it's also been working to establish its own identity.
How
Well, there's been talk of developing its own metaverse,
interesting.
and that could potentially attract more investors.
And potentially drive the price up further.
Exactly. If this upward trend continues, SHIB could reach 0.000045,
Yep.
but that resistance level at 0.00000045 is a key hurdle.
Right.
And we also need to consider the support level, which is around 0.00000002.
So a lot of factors at play there.
As with any crypto, yeah.
All right, and finally, let's talk about SUI. It's up 45% this week, breaking its own all-time high and reaching $3.55.
Yeah, SUI has been on an absolute tear lately.
It really has. And it seems like its success is being driven by something different than just hype, right?
Absolutely. Unlike DOGE, which is heavily influenced by social media and community sentiment,
Right.
SUI's rally is more about its underlying technology.
In that.
Well, SUI is built on a new blockchain technology that promises faster transaction speeds and lower fees.
So it's a more practical approach.
You could say that.
All right.
And a lot of investors are seeing SUI as a potential long-term player in the market.
I see. So where do you see SUI headed next?
Well, there are a few resistance levels to watch.
Yeah, sure.
First, we have $3.04, then $4.01, and then a big one at $5 $2.
Wow. So if SUI can break through those.
It could really take off.
But for now.
It has a solid support level around $3.
Okay, so lots to watch out for there. So we've got meme coins surging on hype, and we've got newer cryptos like SUI gaining traction based on their technology.
It's a really interesting time in the market.
It really is. It seems like the whole crypto market is buzzing right now.
Definitely. There's a lot of positive momentum and excitement.
And that brings up an important question, right? With all this upward momentum, what does it tell us about the overall health and future of the crypto market?
Yeah, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
It is. Is this the start of a new bull run, or are we just seeing a temporary surge?
It's hard to say for sure, but these are definitely exciting times.
No doubt. Well, I want to thank you so much for guiding us through this deep dive into the world of crypto.
My pleasure. Always happy to talk crypto.
And to all of our listeners out there, thanks for joining us. Keep exploring the world of crypto.
And stay tuned for more deep dives.
You never know what you might discover. All right, that's it for today, folks. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.